a step-by-step guide to self-development. Welcome. In today's video, we'll explore the art and science of self-development, a journey of realizing your potential and making meaningful progress in life. Drawing on insights from psychology, behavioral science, and my own experiences at the University of Cambridge, I'll guide you through key strategies that can transform how you approach growth and personal success. From setting effective goals to building habits and managing time, we'll uncover tools that are both research-backed and practical. Let's start this journey together. Your best self is waiting. Setting smart goals and developing vision. Personal development begins with clarity. Clarity about what you want to achieve and who you want to become. To get there, let's start with SMART goals, a widely used framework that ensures your objectives are clear and achievable. Specific. What exactly do you want? Measurable. How will you track your progress? Achievable. Is your goal realistic within your resources? Relevant. Does it align with your values and priorities? Time-bound. What's your deadline? For example, rather than saying, I want to get fit, a SMART goal might be, I will run 5 kilometers 3 times a week for 3 months. Beyond goal setting, think about your vision, the big picture of your future. Close your eyes and imagine where you want to be in 5 or 10 years. Cambridge research often emphasizes purpose visualization as a tool to motivate long-term progress. Write down your vision or create a vision board, complete with images and affirmations to inspire you daily. Building habits that stick and managing time effectively. Now that you have your goals, let's talk about the habits and routines that will help you achieve them. According to research by Dr. Philippa Lally from University College London, it takes on average 66 days to form a new habit. Start small, focus on one habit at a time. For instance, if your goal is to read more, begin with 10 minutes daily rather than attempting a book a week. For time management, use methods like time blocking, which structures your day into chunks dedicated to specific tasks. Combine this with the 80-20 rule or Pareto principle. Focus on the 20% of actions that yield 80% of your results. By prioritizing, you work smarter, not harder. Mastering mindfulness and emotional resilience. Growth isn't just about achievements. It's about handling setbacks, building resilience, and cultivating a growth mindset. Research at Cambridge shows the impact of mindfulness meditation on improving focus, reducing stress, and enhancing emotional well-being. Here's how you can start. 1. Set aside 5 minutes daily. 2. Sit in a quiet space, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. 3. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the present moment. Developing resilience is equally essential. Reflect on challenges you faced, and instead of seeing them as failures, view them as opportunities to learn and adapt. Remember, growth comes from embracing discomfort. Lifelong learning and the growth mindset. One of the most powerful self-development strategies is cultivating a growth mindset, the belief that your abilities can be developed through effort and persistence. Professor Carol Dweck, a pioneer in this field, emphasizes that challenges are not obstacles, but opportunities for growth. When you encounter difficulty, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Additionally, commit to lifelong learning. Read books, enroll in online courses, or listen to podcasts. Treat learning as a daily habit. The Cambridge environment fosters this mindset by encouraging curiosity across disciplines, and you can replicate it by seeking new knowledge in areas that excite you. To recap, self-development begins with setting clear goals, building positive habits, managing your time effectively, practicing mindfulness, and adopting a growth mindset. Now it's your turn. Choose one action from today's video and start today. Whether it's writing down a SMART goal, meditating for 5 minutes, or learning something new. Remember, progress happens step by step. Your journey to becoming your best self starts now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.